Good afternoon, grade 9. So this is just a short review involving simplifying radicals. Okay, example number 1 is the radical is square root of 72. So in square root of 72, we will just simply identify the greatest perfect square factor. Okay, and the non-perfect square factor. Okay, so since the index is 2, that's why we need to find the greatest perfect square factor. Okay, now how? Okay, so how to deal with square root? Copy the radical, which is equal to 72. Then, let's find the prime factorization of 72. Since the last digit is 2, that is divisible by 2. 72 divided 2 is 36. Okay, then 36 divided by 2 equal to 18. 18 divided 2 equal to 9. And then 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. Now, how to identify the greatest perfect square factor? So you just group prime numbers, okay, group the same prime numbers by 2. So let's see, 3 and 3, one group, meaning this is 3 times 3 is 9, 9 is a perfect square. Another is 2 times 2 is 4, 4 is also a perfect square. So meaning if we multiply this 3 times 3 times 2 times 2, that is now your greatest perfect square factor. So our greatest perfect square factor is simply equal to square root of 3 times 3, 9, times 2, 18, times 2, 36. Okay? And the remaining factor is simply your non-perfect square factor, which is equal to 2. Okay, find the square root of 36 now is equal to 6. 6, then you just copy the non-perfect square factor. Okay, so our answer is just 6 square root of 2. Now, how about if the index is 3? Okay, let's see. Cube root of 108. So, example number 2. Cube root of 108. So, since the index is 3, then identify the greatest perfect cube factor of 108. Okay, so let's identify using the decomposition method again. 108, since the last digit is 8, that is divisible by 2. 108 divided 2 is 54. Since 54, the last digit is 4, then that is still divisible by 2. 27. Now, 27, 2 plus 7 is 9, divisible by 3. So, divide it by 3. 9. Okay, then 9 divided 3 is 3. As I told you, so since the index is 3, then you are after the greatest perfect cube factor of 108. And to identify the greatest perfect cube factor, you just group by 3. Okay? Group by 3. So since this 2 times 2 is just 2 numbers, okay, 2 prime numbers, then you just simply multiply this group of 3. 3 times 3 times 3 is your greatest perfect cube factor of 108. So this is now equal to cube root of 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. And your non-perfect cube factor is 2 times 2, which is equal to 4. So, times cube root of 4. So meaning cube root of 4 times cube root of 27 equals cube root of 108. So your simplified form now is equal to cube root of 27 is 3. Then cube root of 4. So this is now our simplified form. Okay, now number 3. Okay, you simplify cube root of 56 and number 4 cube root or square root. Okay, square root of 48. Okay. Okay, so just comment your answer below. Then, subscribe na lang para at least continuous ang review natin once medyo hirap kayo sa mga topic. Okay, bye!